Hello friends. In this tutorial I will show to you how to install new media player on any version of Windows 11. First you need to download the zip file by clicking on the link in the description. After the download is complete, right-click on zip file and select Extract All. Click on Extract. Go to Start, open Windows Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Click on For Developers. On the toggle switch under the Developer mode. Select Yes. Click on Windows Search. Type in Windows PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell as administrator. Media player cannot be installed without uninstalling Grove Music. For that, enter command showing on screen or just copy the command from this video description. To install, enter the command displayed on the screen. Copy the command from this video description and go to Extracted folder. Open folder. Right-click on appsmanifest.xml file and select Copy as Path. Paste to the path end of the command. Just right-click on it, link will be pasted, then enter. It will be installed. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.